I'm gonna.
Mama, teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Mm.
Okay, I'm a teacher, and then Mama will say a letter, and then you will give me a sample word that starts with a letter. Okay. Okay. How about A is for
Apple.
B is for
Oh.
C is for
Cat.
D is for
Dog.
E is for
Elephant.
F is for
Frog.
G is for
Gorilla.
gorilla. H is for
Happy day.
H is for I is for
Eagle.
wow. J is for
Dog.
jump. K is for
Dum.
oh, like that. Okay, K is for
Kite.
L is for L is for L is for lollipop. M is for M is for mask, not mock. N is for
Noodles.
noodles. O is for P is for P is for P is for P is for ay, P is for pig.
Noodles.
Q is for hey, Q is for huh? Q is for what's that? Q is for answer properly. Q is for R is for robot. S is for
Sun.
T is for
Green.
train. U is for
Abaya.
U is for
Abuela.
umbrella. V is for
Potatoes.
V is for
Bathroom.
vacuum. W is for W is for
Water.
X is for
Satan.
X is for
Circle.
X is for
Circle.
X. X is for
Circle.
X is for
Sun.
X is for
Telephone.
Y is for
Eagle.
Y.
Eagle.
Y is for yo-yo. Z is for
Zebra.
yay, clap your hands. Yay, good.